Welcome to Stock Talk. This is Scott, your host. I'm going to sit here and show you how to take a look at the market, pre-market. Some things I look at night, some things I might look at early in the morning before the market even opens. So I thought I'd give you a look at that. What I do is I usually pull up like a CNBC, and of course I do this on my phone. I'm going to show you how it looks on the phone as well as in the app itself. So if you were to go to CNBC.com, what you're going to see is the screen right here, and it comes up and it shows you the market that's going on right now. Of course, this is an Asian market here, as you see, Asian markets. You've got the Nikkei, the Shanghai, and so this is Asian markets. If you want to look at the U.S. markets, this shows you what happened today. This is not the futures. We're going to look at the futures pre-market in just a second. But this was what happened today in our market, down 453 points. The S&P and the NASDAQ, Russell 2K. Okay. Also shows you the VIX. The VIX is just a volatility index on how volatile the market is. It's actually gone up a little bit here, I think, here lately. If you go here, you can right here the EU. That's European markets. Then you've got your bonds. Then you got FX. This is the you see the euro versus dollar, U.S. dollar versus Japan's currencies, so on and so forth. So you even got Bitcoin up here. It shows you the Bitcoin price as well. So and then we go to oil. Now oil is something I do keep a look out at. Oil, because I have MPC and also have rig. I keep an eye on the oil price. That usually has something to do with those stocks there. So you got the oil price, you got the Brent price, natural gas, and but the oil is the one I keep a close eye on. Sometimes when the oil price drops, it's good for the refiners like MPC because their input's lower. They're not paying as much for the crude oil and that they refine into the gasoline. So that helps them in some cases, but it doesn't always flow like that from day to day. But you would think if your input price is lower, then you're probably going to make more money on the gas that you're selling. But if the gas is going down at the same time, it's not always the case. So, but it is something to watch. They do kind of correlate together sometimes, so I keep an eye on that. Then you got your gold price here: gold, silver, copper, platinum. I've done a little bit of gold and silver. Never done anything with copper. But gold is, I've showed you one of those ETFs for the gold. That's how I've done it. And there's another one for silver. And that's how I've done it as well. All right, pre-market. This is what I look at night for our markets. I'm looking at this Dow's future here. The Dow's future is showing up 99 for tomorrow. So that's, we may have a good start to the market tomorrow according to the futures. But this can change. By the time we wake up in the morning, they may all be red. If you remember the election when Trump got elected, this thing was way, way down. And by the morning time, it had gone back up. So you can't always tell about this, but it does kind of give you an indication. Maybe we're going to have a decent day tomorrow. Hopefully we do. We had a rough one today, but that's okay. That happens. But I wanted to show you this. Also want to show you that you can also go up here and make your watch list like we did in the Yahoo Finance. You can build a watch list there. It's fairly easy to do. I do like the watch list for this app here. Let me go ahead and pull it real quick so I can pull that up. Let me show you why I do like this. Now I like it on my phone as well. I'm going to show you what that looks like today. But the phone here, this is I just built a little watch list. NAVAX, MPC, and X I put on here. But this is what I like about CNBC app as far as looking at my stocks. By the way, if you ever get a chance to see this lady on CNBC, if you do any trades with pharmaceuticals, she is really good. I don't know her name. I don't know her name, but she is really good. Um, and I saw this video today, and it was really good, real informative. So if you get a chance to watch that video about the virus and what's going on there, but here um, Navax today 70 cents up, almost 9% up. Volume's huge, but this is after hour stuff. Uh, Yahoo Finance has some after hours, but uh, I have a hard time finding the volumes. Because I like to see, a lot of times you see stuff going on in the after hours, and people get excited about it. But it may be somebody trading 3,000 shares of something, or 1,000 shares. So it's not anything that you can really count on. But this is pretty high volume for after hours for Novavax, and pretty decent. Another percent there, but it was as high as 25 cents. I saw it earlier today, and it does show you down here. You can tell what it did in after hours. It even gives you a little bit of the chart there, so that's all good. But I like that a lot. That's what I look at in that app there. Let's see if we can pull up another screen for you. I want to show you this here. This is what these apps look like on the iPhone. I don't have an Android. I can only speak with the iPhone. But this is kind of what it looks like here. If you take a look at that, let's see if I can get on that screen. So you take a look at this. You've got the same type of information. This is the Asian markets. And what you do in this app is you swipe it either way with your finger, and you'll go to the next screen. Let's see here. So you can see your gold. I just went to that. I didn't pull them all in here, but just took some pictures of some to show you here. That's the Dow for the day. And then you've got your oil that you can see here, oil and Brent, natural gas, gold, silver, copper. And then you've got your Dow futures. And I kind of look at that when, if I'm not sitting at a computer, I'll take a look at it. A lot of times I'm sitting there watching TV or whatever, and I'll just pull up my phone and take a look at what the futures are doing. But so this is what I do some evenings before the market reopens in the morning. I'm just taking a look at these things just to kind of get an idea what kind of market might we have, and maybe kind of guide my direction for the day. Just some things that I do that's been helpful over the years. I thought I'd give you guys a quick look at that, show you the tools that I'm using. Did want to fill you in that on my MPC trade that I was trying to make, the cost average down, I never got that trade to go through. So we may have another chance tomorrow. Who knows? It may go up tomorrow, which is fine too, because we're holding the stock. It's good either way. I'm either going to cost average, or I'm going to be happy it's up. So that's the way that goes. All right. Well, that's about it for tonight. I just wanted to show you that, and I'll probably be posting this video sometime tomorrow morning, just as an informative video, and we'll talk about the market some other time. But just wanted to put these out there. Have a great day. Have a wonderful day of trading, and we'll talk to you the next go round. Thanks again. Don't forget to like the videos. Don't forget to subscribe. We've gotten a few more subscribers, and I really appreciate the people subscribing, and a couple comments, and really enjoyed talking to some folks tonight. Just have a great rest of your day. Again, if you have a chance, like it and subscribe. That really means a lot, and we'll get our little community going here. Thanks. Have a great day.